Hey guys, I want you guys to imagine this scenario. You're at home, there's no food, and when you open the fridge, there's nothing to eat, and nothing catches your eyes. What do? You're still starving. What I would personally do, I'd drive over to McDonald's and I would get a Big Mac, a large fries, McNuggets, and a large Coke. And that's why I've had a lot of health issues in the past, and that's why I decided to change my lifestyle. And today, if that's the scenario you would go with, I'd like to do the speech for you. Today I want to talk to you guys about the importance of a healthy and balanced diet and the consequences we could face if we don't have one. Nowadays, children are growing up knowing absolutely nothing about health and diet and what proper nutrition looks like. I will be teaching you guys about what a balanced diet looks like by talking about macronutrients, and we will also go in depth about why drinking water is important for our bodies and the consequences we could face if we don't have a balanced diet. Having a balanced diet full of macronutrients, fats, carbs, and proteins are very important to maintain a healthy body and mind. Our bodies are a lot like cars. If you take care of it, it'll run smoothly for a long period of time, and if you don't, it'll have a lot of issues. One of the three macronutrients I want to talk today about is proteins. Proteins are found in meats, nuts, eggs, fish, and beans. Proteins are responsible for building new cells and fixing damaged cells in our bodies. Proteins are of utmost importance during adolescence and childhood for proper growth, because that's when we grow most. Along with growth and repair, they also preserve muscle mass, hormone production, and enzyme production, properly functioning immune system. The second macronutrient I'd like to talk about are fats. Fats are used by the body for cell membranes, energy, and support for your internal organs. Fats also support libido and overall mental health. Some types of good fats, or saturated fats, are avocados, olive oils, and nuts. Bad fats or trans fats are found in fried foods, baked goods, and fast food in general. The last macronutrient that I'd like to talk about are carbohydrates. Carbs are your body's main source of energy, and they're important for your brain, nervous system, kidneys, and muscles. They are mainly stored in the liver and muscles, and they're found in grains, fruits, milk, and oats. Now that we have gone over the importance of a balanced diet, we need to talk about the importance of drinking water, because after all, up to 65% of the human body is water. According to H. Mitchell, Journal of Biological Chemistry, the brain and heart are 73% water, the lungs are 83% water, the skin contains 64% water, muscles and kidneys are 79% water, and our bones 31%. Knowing this information, we should probably all be able to guess how important it is to stay properly hydrated, but then again, lots of people limit their water consumption and instead drink sugary drinks such as sodas. Water is a vital nutrient to the life of every cell. It regulates our internal body temperature by sweating and respiration. It lubricates joints. It helps metabolize proteins and carbohydrates by transporting them in the bloodstream. I could probably go on for hours talking about the benefits of water, but I can't do that right now, but you guys get the gist of it. Now that we have gone over a balanced diet and proper hydration and how they're vital to a healthy lifestyle, I would like to take a second to talk about the consequences of missing either one of those elements in our daily lives. Not having a balanced diet could lead to a multitude of issues. Those issues range from increased levels of stress, emotional instability, and sicknesses. Some of those sicknesses being high blood pressure, high cholesterol, the risk of a heart disease, or diabetes. Eating unhealthy doesn't only lead to physical sicknesses, it also leads to mental disorders such as depression. Changing our fast food eating habits could be really hard to do because humans are creatures of habit, but taking a couple of simple steps, we could change that very easily. Some ways we could help balance out an unhealthy diet is to plan your meals ahead of time, meal prep, only eat sugary drinks occasionally, and make sure you're drinking a lot of water. So today we talked about nutrition and its importance when it comes to leading a healthy lifestyle. We also covered just how important water is and the consequences we could face if we don't have a balanced diet. Thank you guys for being here and listening to me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.